Adding custom security groups to Passport will allow administrators to more easily control what information users can view, edit, add, or even delete from the system. To add additional security groups, you'll first need to be logged in as an administrator. Once you're logged in as an admin, you can either click on the admin ribbon at the top, or come over to the admin folder in the folder tree, open that, and go down to the security group folder and select it. Here you'll be able to see at the bottom part of the screen all of the current security groups that are in the system. By selecting any of these, you'll also be able to see the permissions applied to the group in the top part of the window. To create additional security groups, click New. And for the security group code, you can either activate a barcode generator that'll provide sequential barcodes for each group, or you may want to stick with something that's a little easier to read, such as the naming convention here below, and that'll make the security groups easier to recognize. Once you have a security group code and a security group name here, they'll then use the drop-down menu here that says Use as Base to determine the base set of permissions for this new group. So we'll go ahead and stay with the View permissions for this, and then click Save. We now see that the new group's been added at the bottom, and we see all of their permissions in the View section. If we want to add additional permissions, we just click Edit, and now we can either scroll through the list and apply the appropriate permissions, or we can choose from the Objects menu specific objects that we want to modify, such as admin forms, files, etc. So for this example, we'll use forms. And since we're creating a maintenance group, let's go ahead and give this maintenance team permissions for adding maintenance types, as well as maintenance intervals. Once that's set, just click the Update button, and now the new permissions have been applied to that group. Additionally, when you go to add users now for this new group, you'll be able to add them to the new group that you created, and they'll inherit those new permissions.